Okay guys, so you're welcome to Trinity FX Global. So in this video guys, I'm going to be showing you how to set up your trading view to look exactly like mine so that you can easily identify the market maker buy or sell model setups that would appear on your screen at every given time on different market sessions. Okay, now for the newbies, you must have been seeing this particular icon on all of my chart. This actually an indicator. Okay, it's the Asian range indicator. Now what this indicator helps me to do is it helps me to identify various market sessions. Okay, so I just want to see my Asian market session differently so that I can identify when London is about to start and when New York is about to start. Okay, so I'll just show you how it works and how to apply it to your chart. Now if you notice guys, the Asian range indicator starts from 12 a.m. So my Asian market starts from 12 a.m. and ends at 7:45. Okay, ends exactly at 7:45. So from 8 o'clock, you will notice that the first candle that forms from 8 o'clock right here, can you see this 8 o'clock, 8 a.m. candle is my London. So once it's 8 a.m., my London candle begins to form outside of the Asian indicator. So that's just the way I set it so that I can know when Asian has elapsed and when London is about to begin. Are you getting the point now? So you just go to your indicators on TradingView, go to your indicators and search for this indicator, guys. Search for Asian range by Nico 948. Okay. So once you apply it to your chart, I'm going to show you my settings. Now this is my settings because once you apply it by default, it won't, your settings will be different. So you go to input. Okay, you go to input and make sure you set yours as at 1 day, your session 1800, and just set it like this, exactly like this, and you click on OK. Once you do that, your Asian range indicator will automatically align with mine. Okay, so that you'll be able to identify setups when they form. Now guys, let me show you a secret with regards how to easily identify setups. If you watch my previous videos, you would notice that I mostly want to take my trades either below the Asian range or above the Asian range, right? So this is the secret, guys. This indicator now, this particular Asian range indicator will help you. This Asian range indicator now will help you to know at what point in your chart are you supposed to be watching out for trades. Do you get the point? So let's assume that the market was just here. Let's assume London was about to start. I'm talking about this current day now. So let's assume when you open your chart, it was just like this. Now, what do you do? Of course, if you want to watch out for a buy setup, it's a very simple thing. You want to see your setup form below your Asian range. I want to see my setup form around this area below this my Asian low. Are you guys getting the point now? That is for a buy model. But if I'm watching out for a sell, I want to see my setup form above the Asian high. This is the Asian high and this is the Asian low. Are you guys getting it? Let me even show you guys a trade on New Zealand card that happened on Friday. I did not trade this trade, guys, because I missed out on it. But let me just show you guys a very valid trade. Remember, I said for a buy setup, if you don't really know how I trade, you might just want to watch my previous videos to really see the market maker buy and sell model. Okay, but for the OGs that are here that really understand how this thing works, they understand what I'm about to do. Remember that the first thing you want to do is to watch out for a demand zone. That is, if you're watching out for a buy setup, right? Okay, you want to watch out for a very valid demand zone. So right here, you can see that there was a very valid demand zone right here. I did not trade this particular setup, but I just want to show you guys why it's a lot better to apply the Asian range indicator. We can as well say this was liquidity that was taken, right? So liquidity was taken before price tapped into our demand zone. Of course, right here is our demand zone, right? Okay, so this one you see here is liquidity. Liquidity was taken first before price tapped into the demand zone. And once price taps into our demand zone, what do we want to see? The OGs here would know that the next thing I would have been watching out for after I must have seen price tap into this zone after taking out liquidity, I would have been watching out for a change of character, right? So this year was clearly our change of character. Can you see? So our change of character happened right there. So let's just label it change of character. Okay. Can you see the change of character? Then the next thing you have to watch out for is a return to the order block. So the candle, the bearish candle that sponsored the change of character was this particular bearish candle you see right here. So this is our redefined order block, right? Good. So what I would have done if I was online was I would have placed my buy limits here, okay, expecting price to retrace back to this zone, and of course my stop loss would be, let's say, roughly 10 pips, and I would have been targeting the Asian eye, or at least a 1:2. Remember I said your minimum risk to reward ratio should be a 1:2. So what I would have done, normally I would have targeted this Asian eye, but if you notice, it was just one candle that did all of this move, and this would have been a clear risk to reward ratio of 1:4, as you can see right here. This is a very clean 1:4 trade. Can you see? A very clean setup. Now, do you see the reasons to which why you having this Asian range indicator would help you to really identify setups and know where to expect them to form? Can you see that my buy module formed under my Asian low? Okay, so now let me just hide the Asian range indicator now. Let me show you guys something. So just assume that the Asian range indicator wasn't there. It would have been a little bit confusing for you to know where to expect your buy setup. Are you getting it? But with the indicator now, it will help you to really know where to expect your buy or your sell setups to form. Are you guys getting it? So take a good look at your chart. Today is Sunday. This trade happened on Friday, okay, Friday, 6th of December. So just take a good look at your NZD card charts so that you can see what I saw. If you're yet to understand the way I trade this setup, please do want to watch my previous video. I do loads of videos of this same entry model, okay. So if you go back to my previous videos, you will see that we are just trading the same thing. But I just thought to show you guys the settings for those that don't know, so that it will be easy for you to identify. If you sort of like contents like this, please do want to like the video and subscribe to the YouTube channel if you're yet to subscribe. Okay, if you have questions, use the comment section and I'll reply and respond to your questions. Thank you very much for your time. Tomorrow is Monday and we're going to be trading again, and expect more video, guys. This week is going to be an amazing week. Okay, so I'll be uploading all of my videos for this week. You don't want to miss any of our updates. Okay, so do what to always check on this channel for more updates. Okay, I'm going to be showing you guys other strategies that I trade, but for now, let's just take it one step at a time. Okay, thank you very much for taking our time to watch till this and see you guys in my next video, guys. Bye.